Hello again, Algebra 2 students. We're back in our complex number syllabus, and we are on Tier 3, Lesson 5a, which is dividing complex numbers. So let's check off our book. And here we are at 5a, dividing complex numbers. So a quotient is what we find when we are dividing complex numbers. Now I want you to recall that complex conjugates are the form a plus bi times a minus bi. So when we're dividing complex numbers, the first thing we want to do is multiply both the numerator, which is the top, and the denominator, which is the bottom, by the complex conjugate of the denominator. So in this case, we're going to multiply both the top and the bottom by negative 3i over negative 3i, which is the equivalent of just multiplying something by 1. This gives us negative 27i minus 36i squared over negative 9i squared. And we know that I squared from previous lessons is equal to negative 1. So we can simplify the negative 27i plus 36 over positive 9. And then when we rearrange using the commutative property, we get 36 over 9 minus 27 over 9i, which simplifies to 4 minus 3i. Here on the second one, we want to multiply the top and the bottom by the complex conjugate of the denominator, which would be 1 plus 4i, 1 plus 4i, which again is multiplying by 1. So we get 2 plus 8i plus 3i plus 12i squared. And I did that. You can use a Punnett square if you want, but here in Tier 3, I figured you guys could just distribute and be able to come up with where I got those numbers. And that's over 1 plus 4i minus 4i minus 16i squared. That's going to simplify. Knowing that I squared, again, is equal to negative 1, we're going to have 2 plus 8i plus 3i minus 12 over 1 plus 4i minus 4i plus 16, which will simplify down to negative 10, because I'm combining this 2 and this negative 12, plus 11i over 17, because this positive 4, oops, I forgot my I there. That positive 4i and this negative 4i cancel, and that just leaves 1 plus 16. And this is as simplified as we can make this.